In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making a 21% APY and getting paid daily by staking the cryptocurrency Zilliqa, and how you can do the same by completing 3 simple steps. Please smash that like button for me and subscribe with a notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos providing you with the best ways to make money in cryptocurrency. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the computer. Alright, so first things first, you're actually going to want to go ahead and acquire some Zilliqa. Now, if you're already experienced in the crypto space, you can go ahead and buy some on Binance and then skip ahead in the video to step number 2. But if you're new to the space and you don't own any crypto at all, if you are in the US, you can use an app called Cash App. You can download it on your phone, you can link it to your bank account, and you can buy some Bitcoin on there. Now that will be your easiest option, or you can go ahead and set up an account at Coinbase. Same deal, you download the app on your phone, you set up an account, connect it to your bank account, and you can go ahead and buy Bitcoin on there. Now if you're outside of the US, you can go ahead and buy some Bitcoin on localbitcoins.com. I'll have a link to their website in the description below. Or there is a new website that I'm trying out called Uphold. Now on this website, you can actually buy crypto with a credit or debit card with 0 fees, although I can't vouch for them yet because I set up an account with them and I bought some crypto on there, but they haven't verified my account and it's been like 4 days since I set it up. So if you do want to try it out, I recommend you go ahead and verify your account first and make sure that you are approved to withdraw funds from your account before purchasing any crypto on here. So once you actually have some Bitcoin, you can go ahead and set up an account at Binance. Now, if you're in the US, for you to have access to Binance's original website and their full list of cryptocurrencies, you're going to have to use a VPN. And don't use Binance's US website. You can tell from the URL if it says binance.us, that is the website you don't want to use. I'll have a link to their non-US website in the description below, and I recommend you use PureVPN. It is the VPN that I use, and I'll have a link to that in the description as well. Now, every time you go to access your Binance account, you're going to want to make sure that your VPN is turned on, and it can be set to any country. I recommend you just use Mexico for the fastest internet speed. So once you have your Binance account set up, you're going to want to send over the Bitcoin that you bought earlier to that account. Now, if you've never made a crypto transaction before, it's really simple. On whatever platform you chose to buy your Bitcoin on, somewhere it'll say withdraw your Bitcoin, or withdraw your funds, etc. Once you click on withdraw your Bitcoin, then it's going to ask you for a wallet address. So once you're ready to input a wallet address on Binance, you go to where it says wallet and you click on fiat and spot. Once you're in here, you go to the search box and you type in BTC, and then where it says Bitcoin, you go over to where it says deposit. Now, if you bought Bitcoin on Coinbase or on Cash App, on the app on your phone, when you clicked on withdraw, it'll ask you for the wallet address, right? You go ahead and scan in this wallet address right here. Again, if you bought it on one of the apps. Now, if you bought your Bitcoin on local Bitcoins or on Uphold and you have it open on another window, you can just go ahead and copy and paste this address right here. You just click right here and then it says copy to clipboard. Then you can use that address on either Uphold or on localbitcoins.com when you go to withdraw your funds. So once you have the wallet address from Binance into whatever platform you chose to buy your Bitcoin on, and once you're ready to withdraw, you go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. Now, they may send you a confirmation email, so you check your email and make sure you don't have to confirm it there for the actual withdrawal to go through. The transaction will only take a couple minutes tops, but you actually won't be able to access your Bitcoin on Binance until a certain amount of network confirmations have been made. So just give it some time for you to be able to access your Bitcoin. But once all the transaction confirmations have been made, then you can go ahead and trade your Bitcoin for Zilliqa. You do that by going to where it says trade. I always choose advanced, and you go to the drop down menu right here. Make sure it's under BTC. You type in ZIL for Zilliqa, and then you go to the ZIL/BTC trading pair. Now then you can go ahead and we're not trying to do some special trades here or anything, so we'll just click on market, go ahead and put to the full 100% amount that you're buying, the full amount of the Bitcoin that you bought. You go ahead and buying the full amount of Zilliqa, and you go ahead and click on buy ZIL. And now that you've actually acquired ZIL, we can move on to step number 2. So for those who are already experienced in the crypto space, step number 2 is to go ahead and send your Zilliqa to your Atomic wallet. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and move on to step number 3. Now, for those who do not have an Atomic wallet, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their website in the description below. Very simple. You click on the link, you go to their website, you click on download if you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, or whatever, and you can also download the app on your phone. Now, when you're setting up an Atomic wallet, all you really need to do is set up a password, and they're going to provide you a 12-word secret phrase. Now, those 12 words need to be written down letter for letter perfectly with all in order, right? And you need to have it on paper, somewhere stored very securely, right? You don't want to have it you don't want to have any digital copies anywhere whatsoever. This is something that you definitely want to be very precautious with, because whoever has access to your 12 words and knows your password, they can have access to your funds. So make sure you write it down on a piece of paper and store it somewhere super secure. So once you have your Atomic wallet set up, it should look something like this. Now, I am on desktop. If you're on mobile, it may look slightly different, but it's basically the same thing. So you go ahead and click on these three little dots up here, and this is basically just to clean things up, so it's a lot simpler. Just click on hide all, and then you can obviously select whatever coins you want to have in your Atomic wallet. I made this wallet specifically for this video, for the tutorial purpose, right? So I just click on Zilliqa and then apply, and then we're only looking at Zilliqa here. So you can go ahead and click on Zilliqa, and then you click on receive, and then this is your Zilliqa address. So once you have this Zilliqa address, you want to copy it to the clipboard by clicking on it. Go back to Binance, go to where it says wallet, fiat, and spot, and then go down to Zilliqa, type in ZIL, and instead of clicking on deposit, we're gonna click on withdraw. Once you are ready to withdraw, this is where you can go ahead and paste in the address that we copied from Atomic. Then you can go ahead and put in the maximum amount so that it withdraws all the Zilliqa that you bought, and then you click on submit. Now, if you're using Binance on mobile, you're gonna wanna go ahead and just scan in this address right here. After you clicked on submit, Binance will give you a prompt to put in 2 different codes. If you have already set up 2-factor authentication, then the first code, it'll ask you to put in the one from your Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you haven't set that up, I believe it'll only ask you for a code that they send to your email. You go to your email, you copy that code into the box where it asks for the code, and then you can confirm the withdrawal. You'll know that you confirmed the withdrawal because Binance will send you a confirmation email, and they'll say, we have confirmed the withdrawal of X amount of Zilliqa to whatever wallet address your Zilliqa address ended up being. And after some time, the ZIL will appear in your Atomic wallet. And then we can go ahead and move on to step number 3. So once your Zilliqa is in your Atomic wallet, it's time to stake it. So you click down where it says staking, you click on Zilliqa, you go ahead and click on stake, and then you're going to want to go ahead and not stake all. Don't do the entire amount. You're going to want to keep at least 5 Zilliqa in there for purposes of there's network fees and stuff like that. 5, no, let's say better 10. So just go ahead and leave 10 in your account, and then you click on stake. Then you go ahead and put in your password, and you click on confirm, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. You are now earning interest on your Zilliqa. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on back to staking. Now you may still see your balance there. Just go ahead and give it a couple minutes. It just takes some time to send over to the staking platform. Oh, there you have it. So now once the full amount is in there, well, not full amount, like I said, you want to keep a little bit in there, right? But once you have that amount staked, then once you start receiving rewards, you can just click on claim. You'll see them appear here on rewards. You click on claim, and you can go ahead and claim your Zilliqa. You go ahead and put in your password again, and boom, there it is. So now that will be sent to your wallet. Once you claim, again, it takes a second for it to send over, right? But once you have it in your balance, you can go ahead and restake your earnings. Like I said, it does take a minute for it to load up. It still says that my rewards are there, but you give it a minute and it'll refresh. Now, I don't recommend you claim your rewards every single day because there is a network fee when you go to make the transaction from the staking platform to your wallet. So what's best is about once a week, that at the end of the week you go ahead and send all of your rewards to your wallet, and then you can go ahead and grab those rewards and send it back into the staking platform. So you're now earning a 20% APY on your initial investment plus the compound interest if you continue to reinvest your earnings. And on top of that, the astronomical value increase of your investment as a whole, because my price prediction for Zilliqa on the low end before the end of 2021 is that it will reach $1, and right now it's sitting at about 2 cents. And Atomic Wallet actually just had a new update where you are now earning, I believe it is, where is it? A, B, C, D, E, F, GZIL, right? The alphabet. You are now earning 0.001 GZIL for every Zilliqa that you earn through staking. So again, that's just more free money. And you need to hurry, because the way that Zilliqa is designed is that the more people that are staking Zilliqa, the less the reward. So right now it's at 20%. It could go down to 19 or 18% in a couple months. So you want to, take full advantage of this by getting in as early as possible. So there you have it. That's about as passive income can be. So go ahead and take a look into Zilliqa if you are interested in it. Please remember to do your own research. I am in no way responsible for any investment you choose to make. Invest at your own risk. Please make sure to watch my latest video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you want to see future content like this, and click the bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Drop a like and comment down below if you found the content informative. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'll have a link to it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.